Hello, everybody, and welcome to Functions class. My name is Mrs. Fry, and I will be your teacher this semester. This video is to give you an idea of what class will look like. Let's first start with maybe just a little bit of information about me. This is my 25th year teaching high school math and my 21st year here at Orono. I have two cats, Diesel and Harley, and you'll likely hear them time and again in my video lessons. This summer, I enjoyed gardening, spending time outdoors, and cooking. Attendance is going to be taken daily in our class. Each day, you'll watch a short daily note video, which is just a video from me giving you an agenda for each day. You'll have a follow-up question afterwards. The submitted response for that question just counts for your attendance and must be submitted to get the access to the rest of your materials that day. If you've not logged into class by the end of the hour, you'll be marked absent that day. If you've logged in later in the day, your absence will change to a tardy. If by chance you were sick or had an appointment during our class period, please just have your parent or guardian call in and your absence will be cleared in the attendance line. On occasion, we'll do some live stream lessons or live stream classes where you'll be required to attend on a Google Meet. I'll ask that you're attentive during that lesson on time during your class period, and you might even be asked to participate. You'll also know well in advance when a live stream Google Meet is required for you. Schoology is where we'll have everything we need for class. If you log into your Schoology page, you should already see functions there for you. If not, please email me and I will add you. Everything that we do will be accessed here. You'll have a link to your weekly calendar, which will give you a breakdown for every day that week, that daily note video, and your attendance question. From there, each folder will include video lessons for the day, quizzes you may need to take that day, and your assignment details. All of our homework will be uploaded back to Schoology. If you've never done that before or need a refresher, there's a video for you to watch on Tuesday titled Upload to Schoology, and you'll get your details from that. Let's take a look at our Schoology page just to see all that in progress. You'll see functions. There's just that little red swoosh kind of through there. At the top of the calendar, or at the top of your page, you'll see that weekly agenda. And then in week 1, if you click there, you'll see Tuesday through Friday, and each day will give you everything you need. And this will kind of be our structure throughout the semester. Hopefully you'll find that easy to navigate. If you ever have any questions, feel free to let me know. All right, let's take a look at our syllabus. You'll notice the content that we cover in this semester will look similar to a lot of content you covered from Algebra 2 last year. The change that we will make to this, or the kind of the modification that'll be happening here, is that we'll take that content and apply it. We'll have a lot of application and word problems. Being fluent in this content from Algebra 2 last year is definitely going to be to your benefit this year. Grading will come from a couple of different things. We'll have our formative and our summative categories. That should sound familiar to you. The breakdown for each of those might be different though. Your formative work will count as 40% of your grade. And that work will include simply completing notes and submitting a picture, check-in quizzes from those notes, and your daily homework. Your notes are worth 4 points. Your daily homework will be worth 4 points. Feel free to read through those and ask any questions as needed. Your summative component will be 60% of your grade, and that will consist of chapter tests and your semester final. If you miss a test, you'll be expected to check in with me and come up with an alternate time to take that test in an efficient manner. If by chance you haven't scored at that 80% benchmark on your test and you'd like the opportunity to retake, the criteria for that includes having all your homework turned in on time before the chapter test. If you're missing work, you will not be given that opportunity to retake. So keep on top of that daily work. That's going to be pretty critical. If your homework is turned in, you'll just need to find a time to go over your test with me, and you can retake up to that 80% benchmark. Each assessment will be given one opportunity for a retake if that's something that you are interested in. Our grade scale is the standard math grade scale. You need 60% in this class to get credit for the course, and you'll see the breakdown for each individual grade as it's written up above. There'll be occasional bonus point opportunities. You can take advantage of those anytime throughout the semester. But at the end of the semester, where your percentage is the direct correlation to the letter grade you'll get. We do not round grades. The materials that you'll need for class include a laptop every day and make sure it's charged. You may even want to bring a charging cable. As the day continues, you may run out of battery, so you may want to have to charge it in classes to make sure you're ready for the rest of the day, especially for our class since it's later in the day. You'll want headphones or earbuds for your laptop, as we're not allowed to use cell phones to access video lessons and things like that. Plus, in my classroom, the connection isn't really great anyway, so it might be hard for you to use your device or your cell phone. So make sure to have your laptop every day. A calculator, scientific or graphing, is all you'll need for class. Or a scientific is really all you'll need for class, but if you have a graphing calculator, you could use that as well. I will not be giving out calculators to use in class. So if you don't have one during class, you can use the Desmos Scientific Calculator app on your laptop as help. Let's see, paper and pencil, because you're going to be doing math, that makes sense. You will need a phone or a device that allows you to take a picture of your content to upload it back to Schoology. So you will need that eventually, but just not for accessing videos and that sort of thing. You won't need a whiteboard marker. That one we won't probably use this year. And possibly a planner. If you like to be organized and kind of keep track of all your classes in one kind of structured section or like whatever location, a planner is a great way for you to stay on top of assessments and things like that. Last but not least, kind of everything else at the bottom here. Please wear your mask correctly at all designated times. During class, you'll need to wear your mask the entire class period. And I know it won't necessarily be easy to get used to that habit if you're not used to wearing masks over the summer, so we'll just try our best every day. Please be respectful of yourself and others in class. Be kind and be on time. Be prepared and try your best every day. Cell phones, like I said, will not be allowed during class for content-related activities, except for possibly uploading your homework to Schoology. So any inappropriate use of devices or technology will result in some disciplinary action of some sort. We'll see how that goes. And last but not least, you are your best advocate. So if you feel like you're falling behind or you need clarification on something, absolutely reach out. I'm happy to help you. We could do a Google Meet. You could come in before or after school by appointment, and we'll definitely get you back on track. I will have office hours every day from 11:06 to 11:36 and from 2:40 to 3:15 for questions. The afternoon office hours are going to be a little bit flexible with that, simply because I may have meetings after school. But the 11:06 to 11:36 timeframe will be every day for sure. If you do need a specific time with me, just send me an email and we'll make that happen. That's it. I look forward to meeting all of you, whether it be in class or through a Google Meet for the distance learners, and I hope we have a great year.